Hey everybody, this is Greg at Far Hills Pest Control. We're at a customer's house where a system was installed just this spring. It's located in Centerville, Ohio. Their problem was they were able to sit on their patio over here, but were getting bit by mosquitoes quite frequently. So this year they researched the MistAway system and reached out to us and said, hey, we would like to go ahead and get this system installed. So early spring, we were able to run the nozzle circuit just along the fence line there, down along this little area with risers sticking up, came across, and then here you can see these risers here that are in the flower bed. That continues that same way all the way around the whole perimeter of the house, or backyard rather, and then eventually they all lead to the system. This here's the MistAway system. It's a Gen 3 Plus. It has two antennas on top. The right one for radio frequency, which is going to allow a remote control to work. You also have the MistAway system, which connects your phone and allows us to monitor the system. That's the antenna on the left-hand side. So it continues all the way around along the side of the house. Let's go ahead and take a look at the system. Alright, so underneath the lid here you can see the two modules, the one on the right being the radio frequency, the one on the left being cellular. Some troubleshooting steps on the right. And down below you see the insecticide, which snaps directly into the machine. Here's the radio frequency remote, a little pressure gauge that you can utilize. So this system triggered a error 3 message, which was just that the pressure was too high, so we're here to service that. Once that was resolved by reducing the pressure, things are operating just fine. Sometimes with brand new systems you have to adjust things after it's been installed, and this is one of those occasions. So all's normal. So we'll go ahead and run a system here. We'll turn it on and inspect so I can show you guys the nozzle circuit. So there you go, you can see it's going to count down for 20 minutes. That allows the technicians to walk around the perimeter of the property and check all the nozzle circuits. So let's go get in an ideal location. Sometimes it's hard to see the mist, so we're going to turn around and face the sun so the mist is a little bit more present. There you can see. So the nozzles are producing a mist at 250 psi, and it's drifting around exactly where we want it to go, which is in this dense foliage here, producing that mist, just going everywhere it needs to go, where mosquitoes are living. Down here the customer has a little fire pit area. As you can see, the nozzles are continuing all the way around the perimeter of that rock area. So there you go. So we reached out to the customer to see how they like the system, and their answer was they love it. They can now sit outside and enjoy their backyard without having to worry about mosquitoes. So just like everything, this particular unit does need to be maintained and looked after, but as long as you keep it clean, you maintain it well, it'll provide years of mosquito control in your backyard. We have systems that have been in existence probably since the early 2000s. It's pretty neat to see those systems in existence, but they've come a long way. Well, if you guys would like to have a system installed at your home, please give Far Hills Pest Control a call. We'll schedule a time to come out to your property and measure it up and provide a drawing to you to show you what it would look like, how many number of nozzles are needed. We'd be happy to help. Give us a call.